Struggling to attach the images on Deepseek app? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to attach images on Deepseek app from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Deepseek app. Once you are in, type in the message. Now tap on the plus icon right here and tap on Image. From here, you can select the images you would like. Once you have selected the image, tap on Add. Now it will take some time for uploading the image. Once the image is uploaded, simply tap on the send button right here. And that's it, you have just attached the image on Deepseek. Super simple, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.